In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to delete a Wi-Fi network profile here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard and in that way you will be able to open the settings window. Now here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and locate with this option called Network and Internet. Click on it. And the moment you have click on it, you would be able to bring up the network and internet settings. So from that, you need to locate for Wi-Fi. Click on this one. And from here, you would be able to see a list of the option. Please choose for manage no networks where you can add, remove, and edit networks. So here, all you need to do is you need to select the network or the Wi-Fi profile that you would like to remove here. All you need to do is you need to click on this forget option. The moment you click on it, you would be able to remove that here at the Wi-Fi settings. Okay, so once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.